Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on XRP. We're going to do a full update. We're going to talk about the current technical situation for XRP, which is a little bit tricky, but we'll zoom out and then we'll zoom back in and we'll talk about the different possibilities. And I briefly wanted to talk about the fundamentals. I mean, fundamentally, obviously, we still have the Ripple appeal against the SEC's judgment from August, I believe. So that's still going on, and we still, in general, expect some sort of development or some sort of an update on that. And something else that I thought was interesting, and I think that's bullish for Ripple in general and for XRP as well, is that Ripple USD, the stablecoin they launched back in January, if I'm correct, am I? No, in December already, is actually growing. You can see right here, market cap overall was fairly decent, but now market cap, especially since for the last 3 weeks or so, since the beginning of March, the market cap has risen about $125 million. So that's great. That means more usage overall, even though, and I'm not sure if we can completely trust this data, but the volume has dropped down, right? So you can see the volume right now of ROUSD transacted every single day is dropping down, and has dropped down in the last 3 weeks from $80 million to $15 million. So not great, but overall growth there. And sometimes you just need to have some positive news, all right, to remain positive. Because purely technically, this morning what you can see is that there is some leverage coming into the price right here. You can see the open interest for XRP going up. And that's a healthy mix of longs and shorts. It's very much a healthy mix. I mean, it's leaning shorts, all right. So more shorts are being opened on XRP right now. That's then longs. That's definitely true. Even though there's also some spot being bought, it seems like Bitcoin was pushing up earlier this morning. So I think overall buys and sells are fairly in equilibrium right now. Difficult word this Saturday morning, but I think they're pretty matched up against each other, and that's also, the area which we are at is a pretty tough level to predict where the price is going, right? Because what's basically happening right here, or basically where we are, and we can delete the trend line. I don't care much about trend lines, especially not in the weekends. But we're at that POC area, right? I mean, we're still in this consolidation with XRP between 2.75 and $2. Those are the ideal areas to trade, and also to predict where the price is coming from. I mean, Monday the 10th of March, when the price dropped down into $2, it was very easy for me to say, I think this support level is going to hold, and I think we're going higher. It's more difficult for me to say now that we are in the middle right here, and the market as a whole, when we're taking a look at Bitcoin, is not looking amazing. Bitcoin is rejected from resistance quite a bit, while Bitcoin the 10th of March also looked like it had bottomed right here. So the market direction is more difficult. The fundamental situation for Ripple after the appeal drop by the SEC is also a bit more tricky. And then technically what you can see is that we have technically dropped down below the main POC area. The main POC area is between 2.41, or it's basically at 2.41, and then it's the area right here between 2.38 and then 2.45 that also still technically counts as an area where a lot of volume has been transacted. You can see that right here. But the real POC is at 2.41. And even though earlier last week I still expected us to actually be able to rally up to the top of the range, I think it's a possibility, but we need more bullish market circumstances for that. There's no specific leverage, there's no specific momentum coming into XRP right now. Technically, we've even had a bearish breakdown here. So that, in combination with how Bitcoin is looking right now on the lower time frames, makes me lean towards telling you that I think it's most likely we're going to drop back down into 2.3, maybe 2.25. I think overall, especially this weekend, will remain stable, but a bit of a downwards direction seems more likely than actually still being able to get up to the top of the range. Now, if the situation changes for Bitcoin, if we get some more news regarding Ripple, it all changes, but I'll keep you updated on that. This is at least what I think you need to know for now. This is what seems most likely for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.